happiness across ocean and bring lovers together. Hello, I'm Tang Yating. Welcome to the show. Writing an article is really a headache for the immigrant who just moved to Taiwan. If they still need to teach their own children, it's even harder. Therefore, the writing classes for these kids are popping up. Free and lively teaching style makes this class full in every semester. Even make the kids calling the class is really interesting. Do you think the people without opinion is good or bad? No, they don't have their own ideas. Every Sunday afternoon, the creating writing class is always full of children of new immigrants. Friendly teaching and interaction make this new generation all fall in love with writing. The teachers here are more fun. They show they care more than others. It's not like other teachers. Sometimes they have prejudice of other countries. There is more care and empathy and less prejudice, which increases kids' learning wills and also encloses their distance in between. Liang Qiming's mother is from Vietnam and Peng Shiying mother is from China. They both attend several semesters. Skills get better, their relationship also extend outside the class. In fact, you can meet up your friends more often. I think it's really good. We sometimes meet each other during the class and also some other events. Do your writing skill get better? Yes, we do get better. Within this small kingdom, their world becomes spacious because the words are their world without no boundary.